Welcome to all the viewers. It's India versus New Zealand. It's the 5 over match. Captain Karan have taken the rest today, and in the place of Captain Karan, Akshat is playing today. Akshat is an attacking batsman, and he have proved himself so many times when he had got the opportunity for playing for India. It's the match between India versus New Zealand. It's a sunny day. So Captain Karan is not playing today. And in the place of Captain Karan, Akshat is playing. And we will see what will happen in today match. But Akshat is not the captain. Viraj is the captain of the team. Viraj have got the opportunity to captaining the India for the first time. Viraj is very happy that he is leading the Indian team for the first time today. Viraj is the captain, and is the captain. He have scored the first boundary for him. Oh, lovely swing. It will be the memorable match for the captain Viraj. Today Team India do not have the captain Karan. Today they have captain Viraj. He have scored three boundaries from the he have scored the two boundaries from the last three balls. And today the captain Viraj is showing a different class. He's playing shots with full timing. Again he wanted to hit that ball for the fourth, but the ball had not came in his way. Abhi is on the strike. The last ball of the over. What he will do? Will he take single? Yes. Captain Biraj have forced him to take the doubles, and yes, he have completed the doubles successfully. Captain Biraj want to make this memorable match for him. He want to take strike as much as possible. Archie have came. The captain of New Zealand knows that Biraj struggled little bit against the spinners. That's why he called the Archie. In first ball, Biraj have taken the double. The second ball, and it's the no ball. And it's the fourth. Captain Viraj. It's the free hit for captain. What he will do in this ball? Free hit. Captain Karan had taken rest today. Oh, he was not able to capitalize that ball, but he had tried his best, and that's what Team India wanted. And in this pitch, if Team India will score 60 to 65 runs, then it will be a very good score for India. And India have such a great bowling lineup, and India can defend that total. This is a very good over from Archie. Only 4 runs came in this over. In the last 2 overs, Biraj have to score some runs. He is not able to make this over big. The last ball of the over. Let's see what Avi will do. The form of Avi is also not good from the last 3 to 4 matches. But this shot is pretty good. He is a very good player of spin, and he have shown in that ball. Again, captain called the spinner. He knows that the Biraj not play spin very well, and Biraj have taken the single in this ball. Let's see what Avi will do. But Avi is a very good player of spin. So we have to see that what Avi will do in next 5 balls. He have taken the double. He do not want Viraj to take the strike because Viraj struggle little bit against spinners. He wanted to cut that shot, but ball was not. That ball was not for the cut shot. He had played superb shot. The ball went for the fourth, and it's the first boundary of this over. Let's see how many more boundaries will come. Chappell have came. Again. He wanted to play the good shot, but the fielder was there, and Avi had to go. He is disappointed from himself. He is not happy. He is very disappointed. Atharv came. He is a very good striker of the game. He came. He delivered the ball for 3 runs. No, it's run out. He wanted 3 runs. Biraj is very furious. It was the first match as a captain for Biraj, and he had sacrificed, not sacrificed, but he had given his wicket in the form of run out, and this is the worst kind of out you can say for any batsman. It's the fourth over. Shantanu and Atharv, they are the new batsmen. Hmm. India is struggling a little bit today. It will be the 2 runs. Shantanu and Atharv have to smash some runs today. Oh, it's the pie. Yeah. Next ball of the over. And it's the fourth. It's the lovely shot. Not the fourth. These are the 2 runs. We had thought that it will be four, but it's not the fourth. Shantanu strikes and it's the single. 44 for 2 India. Last over. India needed at least 20 runs if they have to give. No, it's the wicket of Shantanu. Shantanu was trying to play the very big shot, but he was not able to do it. Aradhya came. The first ball of the match, and 2 runs for Aradhya. Very good field setting for New Zealand. Next ball of the match. It's the single. Atharv came onto the strike. It's the shot and it's directly into the hands of the fielder. It's the very crunchy situation for India. India is not able to score the runs. Rudra. Rudra came. What he will do? He scored 2 runs. And the over ends. Target for New Zealand is 50 runs. 10 runs needed in each over. Will New Zealand be able to chase that match? Let's see. Keshav came. Let's see what Keshav will do. First ball of the match. Keshav is a very good bowler. And Biraj, it's the first match as the captain for the Biraj, and Biraj really wanted to win that match. Oh, lovely swing from Keshav. It's the outswinger. Third ball of the match, and batsman is not able even to touch the ball. It's really great match, but it's the six. And batsman have came the long way and directly hit the ball for the six. Hmm. He wanted to test the batsman with the bouncer, but batsmen have again scored the ball for the six. It's the 13 runs from the first over. Captain Biraj is saying to Keshav, "What are you doing, man?" And Keshav have no words. Second over, Oj came. Let's see what Oj have brought into the table. It's the first ball and he have taken the wicket of Blunt. Captain Viraj is very happy. In first over he was disappointed from the Keshav. But Oj have given the smile into the face of the captain face. Sorry for the commentary. Captain Oj have given the very beautiful smile on the face of the Captain Viraj. Viraj is very happy. And again, I think it's the wicket. The set batsman James have gone. And you can see the happiness on the face of Captain Viraj. Captain Viraj is very happy from his bowler Oj. Oj is providing his services very efficiently. 4 balls, 1 runs, 5 ball, 1 runs from the Oj. Oj is a gun bowler for Team India. Last ball of the over and really a good over. It can create a great chance for India to win. And Captain Biraj knows that very well. Ishant have came. Ishant have came to bowl. Let's see what will happen. Because today spinners have done really a great bowling. But it's the fourth. Mills is the great striker of the ball. And that's the right field placement. And it's again the fourth. Ishant have to change his line and length. 2 balls, 2 4. It's the third ball of the match. Oh, he have changed his position. And finally, it's the dot ball. New Zealand have a very good batting lineup, and they will try their best to chase that. I think Ishant have got the wicket of Mills. It's the third wicket of India. It's the third wicket. No, it's not out. Indians have thought that it's the third wicket for them, but it was not the third wicket. It was a not out decision from the third umpire. Will he? Let's see. Will he out? Not out. Two decisions from third umpire, not out. But it's really a good over. Indians are creating a great pressure, and it's the six from Mills. 14. 14 runs from the over. Dibyan Shep came. It's a really interesting match. Who will win? India or New Zealand? Let's see. It's the dot ball. 11 ball, 22 runs. It's the first match of Viraj as the captain. Will Viraj win the first match as the captain, or New Zealand will win this match? This is a very interesting match. It's big. It's very big, and it's the six. It's the fourth. Oh, and it's out finally. It's the fourth ball of the match. The Byands have delivered a really good ball. It's not out. It's the fifth ball of the over. It's big, it's big, it's big, JBO. 7 ball, 12 runs for New Zealand. Match is alive. Please don't go anywhere. It's the very interesting match between New Zealand and India. And it's again big. Big but directly into the fielder hands. 6 ball, 12 runs. And the bowler Akshat. Akshat have came in the place of Captain Karan, and he have delivered in the first ball. 5 ball, 12 runs for New Zealand. Will Akshat will prove his worth? He have came in the place of Captain Karan. Will he prove that he is a very good fast all-rounder for Team India? Captain Viraj have given him opportunity. Let's ball, my man. Let's ball. We have to see your capabilities. We have to see your determinations. We have to see your skills. And it's the six. It's the six. And Captain Viraj is changing his fields. Captain Viraj is desperate to win his first match as the captain, and he will do everything. He will do everything to win the match. And he have set up the field. Let's see, 4 balls, 6 runs for New Zealand. It's the third ball and Akshat bowled. Akshat bowled the Harris. Oh my goodness. It's the very interesting match and very important match for the Indians and for the Viraj too. He is very excited for today match. It's into the hands. Akshat is doing really great bowling. New Zealand 44 for 7. 2 balls, 6 runs. New Zealand is 164 from winning. It's 2 runs. It's 2 runs for New Zealand. Very interesting match. 1 ball, 4 runs. Archie is a good batsman too. 1 ball, 4 runs. Where the match will go? All the responsibilities in the hand of Akshat. Oh, and it's the win for India. It's the first win for Viraj as the captain in the series of 5 matches with the New Zealand. India have taken the lead of 1-0. India is happy, all Indians are happy. Team India is happy and Captain Viraj is very happy. It's the end of the match and we will meet with the second match of this series, India versus New Zealand, and India have taken the lead of 1-0. New Zealand are disappointed with this defeat, but it was really interesting match and match had gone till the last ball. Thank you, have a great day and we will meet in the next match.